We have interrupted your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Whitty from Friday Night Funkin', the bomb who almost destroyed the whole world is back, and he's sending 10 bomb missiles to 10 states. These states include Hawaii, Alaska, Washington, Colorado, Florida, California, Alabama, Ohio, North Dakota, and South Dakota. If you live anywhere in these states, evacuate to a state not near those states. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Whitty had exploded a nuclear power plant. The radiation will spread over Colombia in the next 10 minutes. All residents take cover in a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a product of nuclear attack explosion. Fallout will be certain death. It will take a minute or longer for the fallout to spread. Fallout could spread miles for radiation. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. The fallout is clear out of area. However, stay in your shelter as Whitty is still exploding everything. We can now return to regular programming. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. Whitty is back at it again with a friend. Her name is Julian, age 21, same size as Whitty. She was last seen wearing light blue jacket, orange shorts, and white socks. All residents must be careful of those two. If you see Whitty or Julian, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Whitty and Julian had spawned EAS villains from other YouTubers. The villains are Mickey Error, Minnie Error, Donald Error, Goofy Error, Daisy Error, Pluto Error, Pete Error, Boo Boo Chicken Error, Willie the Giant Error, Clarabelle Error, Chip Error, Dale Error, Freddy Error, Bonnie Error, Chica Error, Foxy Error, Golden Freddy Error, Nightmare Freddy Error, Nightmare Bonnie Error, Siren Head, The Wendigo, Bonnie Error, David Hogan. The virus is COVID-19, COVID-20, COVID-25, Titan Kitty, Hero Breen, James P. Sullivan, Mike Wazowski, Aliens from Area 51, and SpongeBob Eggs. All of the villains will work together to destroy the world. The big guns and the young guns are coming to save everyone with more heroes. All residents PLS stay in your shelter and wash your stay safe from the viruses, and you can see the viruses now, and the superstar cars came to stop the villains. Leaders Glamrock Freddy, Goku Jr., and Jared the Killer Master will make a message shortly on the news. Stay tuned on the news for more information on this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. This situation with Whitty and Julian got worse, because there's more than 30 villains helping, but the leaders, Goku Jr., Glamrock Freddy, and Jared the Killer Master is with me today, so we will start with Glamrock Freddy. So tell me, Glamrock Freddy, what's your plan with Jared and Goku Jr.?
Well, Daniel, me and Jared and Goku have a plan to stop Whitty, Julian, and all the other villains who are good. So, we're gonna send an asteroid to their headquarters. When they get into the headquarters, they will all die. So, that's the plan to stop Whitty, Julian. Wait, for Whitty, he can explode. But it'll have to take a few days to repair the damages. So, here's the plan. We're gonna tell NASA we're gonna go to outer space and find the nearest asteroid. And I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna do it. And this might be a ghostly forever mission for me, for the leaders. And I'm probably gonna die up there when the asteroid exploded. It's only not for the world. It's only for the villains. Okay? So that's the plan.
Thank you, Glamrock Freddy. I hope you will survive in the asteroid. Also, SpongeBob EXE summon a lot of tornadoes in Ohio right now. All residents in Ohio evacuate now. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message was by the NASA. Glamrock Freddy had a plan to stop all the villains. Glamrock Freddy is gonna send an asteroid to the villains' headquarters, but SpongeBob EXE sent tornadoes to Ohio. All residents in Ohio evacuate to a near state that is not destroyed, and the residents from the other states change to the Supercars channel on your TV to watch the event. Stay tuned for more information of this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of NASA. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The asteroid killed all the villains. However, the heroes and Whitty repaired all the damages from Whitty and Julian themselves and bring back Ohio. We will now return to regular programming. Your government thanks for your cooperation during this emergency. This includes all activation of the emergency alert system. All normal programming will now resume.